class assembly on World Kindness Day and the Anti-Bullying Week.
On Monday this week, it was World Kindness Day, a yearly event created to celebrate kindness and all its wonderful benefits. This special day is a fantastic opportunity to promote kindness in all forms, such as acceptance, diversity, and love.
This week, we also learn about what bullying is and how we can deal with it. We talk about it as a class and look at the definitions of bullying.
Bullying is intentional, not an accident. While bully hurts someone on purpose, bullying is repetitive. That means that the bully hurts someone over and over again. It isn't an incident that only happens once.
In general, bullying is when one person acts like they have more power than another and does everything they can to hurt that person.
We have been working so hard on our class, have become experts on the subject. Take a look.
Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, Miss Tucker. As we have been learning about kindness and bullying this week, I have a question for you. Put your hand up if you know the answer. If a person is being bullied, it is A, their own fault, B, their parents' fault, C, their teacher's fault, no, their parents' fault, or D, the bully's fault. Miss, that reminds me of an accident at school just last month.
What's the matter? It's not like you to cry.
It's true. He's been picking me even as I was here. He keeps sending me horrible WhatsApp messages and they're getting worse.
That's so mean. Why he's being like that?
I gave him my mobile number over the summer when we were friends because my mom said I could, but then he started sending a message for no reason. I feel like it's my fault, so I feel higher.
It's not your fault or your mom. It's ours. We should have been better friends and asked her earlier if everything was okay.
It's not your fault either. It's Ruiz. He's being a bully because he's sending us messages for no reason.
So I would say B, the bully's fault. No one else is to blame for a bully's action apart from the bully themselves. I don't think we need all that to answer that question. Anyway, final answer? Yes, miss, final answer. And you're correct. Now it's time for break. Off you go.
Are you tired of them mean bullies at school? So then you need to try telling an adult.
Yes, telling an adult is the new product found to be the best way to overcome those days when coming to school can seem like the last thing you want to do.
Telling an adult will not only stop the bullies, but also make the bullies become aware of those feelings of others.
When you buy telling an adult, it comes with talking to your friends, another brilliant product that helps you with any bullying issues you have.
So if you want to help your problems at school, we say, use tell an adult, bang, and the bully has gone.
Welcome back, class. Here's another question about bullying. Being bullied makes people feel A, scared and upset, B, happy, C, excited, or D, confident. Ooh, that reminds me of that incident I talked about earlier. Really?
So you see, Mr. Bigon, we can't send me these messages and they have been really awful. I haven't done anything to him except trying to pick his friend.
She was really scared and upset, sir. We felt bad that we couldn't do anything to help.
We told her that it wasn't her fault, and that we have to tell an adult. I think I saw an advert on TV that said telling an adult can help.
Have we done the right thing? Of course we have. The best thing is to always tell an adult if you're feeling scared and upset. I will talk to Rui to get his side of the story.
So I would say A, Miss Stalker. When you are bullied, you feel scared and upset. Final answer? You're correct.
In class, we discussed the different types of bullying to understand what people mean when they say I am being bullied.
We also thought of definitions we use when we describe bullying.
A bully is someone who tries to hurt people by the way they act.
A victim is somebody who is bullied and feels hurt, upset, and scared by the actions of a bully.
A bystander is a person who sees bullying taking place and is a very important person involved in stopping the bullying.
Physical bullying, when a bully kicks, hits, and damages someone or their belongings.
This can be easy for the bystander to see, but can be painful for the victim.
Verbal bullying, when a bully is name-calling, taunting, threatening, and making offensive remarks to another person or group of people.
This can be very common and is hard to deal with if an adult doesn't know.
Indirect bullying, when a bully doesn't bully the victim to their face, for example, spreading nasty stories about someone, gossiping, and excluding people from games.
This has to happen all the time to be bullying and is dealt with by victims and bystanders telling an adult.
Cyberbullying, when a bully is sending nasty emails, texts, and making nasty phone calls to the victim.
This is now much more common, and victims should record the messages to prove what has been happening.
All these types of bullying are very serious and can cause lots of damage to the people involved.
So class, I have just one more question about bullying. What can an adult do to stop bullying? A. Shout at the bully until he promises to stop. B. Phone the police because they can deal with the problem. C. Tell the victim off because they should not waste the teacher's time. Or D. Talk to the bully and find out why you have been so mean and help their problems. Wow, that's a hard question. I think I need to go back to my flashback. Really, we haven't got time for all this nonsense.
Now, Rui, I have been told that you have been sending some very nasty text messages to someone at school. Is that right?
No way, Mr. Bean did not such a lie. I swear I haven't done anything like that.
Are you sure, Rui? I have seen these messages. The person sent them so an adult could see what has been happening. Can you tell me why you sent them?
I didn't send them, she sent them to me. She's making it up to get me into trouble.
Are you sure, Rui? I have seen these messages. The person sent them so an adult could see what has been happening. Can you tell me why you sent them?
Well, it's just, she's got a really nice phone, and that phone I really wanted. I didn't mean to be nasty.
Rui, that is a very unkind thing to do. I think you need to apologize and think about how hurtful those things were you said. I will also have to talk to your parents so we can help you understand that sending those messages was wrong. I think you need to apologize to Monica now. Let's get her now.
Sorry for being mean.
So I will say D. A teacher can talk to the bully to find out why they've been so mean and help them understand How hurtful their face. Oh, sorry, I drift off. You're correct. The answer is D.
Remember, the best thing to do if you feel like you are being bullied is to talk to someone.
Even if you don't think it's bullying, if you tell someone, they make you feel better.
We made in class we made kindness poems and we like to share them with you.
Keep kindness. Keeping the good manners with others. Imagine a polite word. Not being disrespectful. Do nice things to each other. Not being included isn't kind. Everyone be friends. Sharing is caring. So that's my poem of kindness.
Kindness here, kindness there, kindness everywhere. Kindness in me, kindness in you, kindness in everybody.
Kindness is all. You are kindness. I am kindness. Kindness is love. Kindness is sharing. Kindness is here all around us.
Kindness is thoughtful, kindness is caring, kindness is polite, kindness is nice, kindness is respectful, kindness fixes everything.
What else do you need to say? Everybody shut.
We'll also be taking these home today.
We would like to finish with a song. Hola, Ma. Making our world a better, kinder place. Please join us in singing Imagine by John Lennon.
You're standing.
Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do.
also thank Miss Elliot for helping us with the song.
Who's Miss Elliot? Come here.
Our, s- our music teacher.
Our new music teacher. Thank you, Miss Elliot.